Whether you're looking for the latest home trends, ways to save money through improvements, or you want to know what this year could hold for your trades business, Rita People's got it covered in our 2023 Home Improvement Trends Report. This year's report is our biggest and best yet. We've analyzed more data than ever before, and it's full of insights for homeowners, home buyers, and trades businesses. Our research reveals some shocking truths. Where last year we saw a home improvement boom, this year we're more likely to see homeowners and tradespeople making careful choices about the investment decisions that they make. With prices set to go up by 17% on average, we're now seeing what we're calling the home improvement squeeze. Many people are worried they won't have enough money to complete projects, and nearly 10% would have to go without food if they had a maintenance emergency that needed dealing with fast. Despite these financial challenges, it's not all bad news going into 2023. Renovation is having its moment, and we're now creating our ideal homes rather than buying them, resulting in more work for tradespeople in the process. We're also seeing green renovations taking center stage, with 9 in 10 homeowners planning to make their homes more eco-friendly this year. 4 of the 5 top eco jobs are also tied to helping reduce energy consumption and energy bills. We've also unpacked some of the top home trend predictions for the year, including the hottest paint colors and the renovation projects that will be rising and falling. To find out more, check out the report now.